Welcome to Bitchy Vegan Homo. As a boy, my mom used to make sloppy joes using a dead cow and manwich. As a full-grown Bitchy Vegan Homo, I like to make my sloppy joes from scratch, and a manwich is something completely different and a lot more fun. These vegan sloppy joes are incredibly easy and super cheap to make. And instead of using the rotting corpse of some poor dead cow, probably named Steve or Ginger, we're going to be using TVP. TVP might sound like something you picked up from your last Grindr hookup, I don't know, but it actually just stands for textured vegetable protein. Doesn't sound that appetizing, but you know, considering it's saving the life of an animal, I think I can live with it. First, we're going to start by making our sloppy joe sauce by combining our wet ingredients and our spices. We're going to add our water, tomato paste, and our ketchup, vegan Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke, and then finally our salt, brown sugar, cumin, and chili powder. Then with a whisk, we're just going to blend that all until everything's combined. All your tomato paste is dissolved, and you get this nice tomatoey, spicy, sweet, tangy sloppy joe sauce. So we're going to just heat up about a tablespoon of oil. We're going to add our onions, our peppers, and our garlic, and just let those cook and soften up a little bit for a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our sloppy joe sauce and our TVP. And you'll see that the TVP will absorb pretty quickly, so you gotta stir it around while it absorbs all that liquid and all that flavor from the sauce. And then you're gonna let it cook and simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's heated all the way through. If you notice that your mix is just a little too dry, just add a bit more water to it and everything will be all right. All right, and now for the fun part. That gives these sloppy little bastards their name. We're going to take one of our buns and we're going to put as much filling on here as we think it'll irresponsibly hold. I think a little more. All right. Oh, my fiancé is such a lucky guy. Really good though. Well, thanks for watching. Visit bitchyveganhomo.com for this and other great recipes. And the animals and I thank you for being vegan. Yeah, it's pretty sloppy, but it's good. Take these to your next church picnic.